2020 was a special year for me and the rest of the
Coronavirus.
COVID-19.
Coronavirus.
A new virus.
Coronavirus.
Nevertheless, let me introduce you to my year 2020. Start with me planning to work in Italy to become a real Italian chef and learn the Italian kitchen. In February I traveled to Italy and talked to many restaurant owners. And with the help of a lot of people I managed to find a 1 Michelin star chef who agreed to introduce me to the Italian kitchen and teach me how to cook like a real Italian. And we agreed to meet again in April when the season starts. Then there was a little pandemic thing going on, leaving me without job or any opportunity to search for one or get one. And it seemed like all my plans had disappeared in no time. In July I decided to travel to Italy and do not come back until I have worked there. And with a lot of help from the most beautiful people who helped me talk to every restaurant owner on the whole Amalfi Coast in 2 weeks, I had a job. It wasn't quite what I had expected, but I learned one thing for sure this year: life doesn't give a about your plans. I was willing to accept every restaurant there was, no matter how good or bad the kitchen was, if they have a Michelin star or not. I just wanted to work, I just wanted to learn something. Well, and as you know, life sometimes gives you lemons, and instead of ending up in a 1 Michelin star restaurant, I ended up in the world famous Pasticceria Panza, a pastry in Amalfi who is world famous for their lemon cakes. So to bring my really bad lemon metaphor to an end, if life gives you lemons, learn to make the best lemon cake the world has ever seen. The owner of the pastry helped me to find a flat near the coast, and before I really could realize what was going on, I already lived my dream.
Was burning like a flame. I was a body and a name, and all the rest was gone. Trapped like a hermit in a cage, I left the others on the stage, and still the show went on. Take a bow from the back of the crowd. It's over now. And I now see the world turns without me. My shoulders never bore the heavy burden. I was just another person, and the sun rose before the age of pharaohs. And after I am gone, another dawn will fill the sky.
I was in a complete new country, a new city, completely free to do whatever I wanted, surrounded by the most warm-hearted people.
Control, then chase the rabbit down the hole and wonder why I'm lost. I built a palace so serene, then douse it all in gasoline. I light a match and watch. Let it burn without an ounce of concern. I never learned. And I now see the world turns without me. My shoulders never bore the heavy burden. I was just another person, and the sun rose before the age of pharaohs. And after I am gone, another dawn will fill the sky with no goodbye. Away from what I'm fearing, but every twist and turn's a new concern that burns my soul.
The guys in the pastry taught me everything they knew, and I wanted to just know more and more.
Take me where it will. The spotlight was burning like a flame. I was a body and a name, and all the rest was gone. And I now see the world turns without me. My shoulders never bore the head.
Not every day was just happy and beautiful, and much things went terribly wrong, but I felt truly happy for the first time of my life. I fell in love with the landscape.
I saw your face
The food,
painted on the wall, shapeless in space,
and the ocean.
colorless and small. I remember you, faded and subdued. I spent the day haunted by your sight, hiding away, curse away the light. I remember you, fading out of you. You're a memory now. You're all faded and brown. You're just namelessly hung on the tip of my tongue in a silent remark. You're a memory now. You're just dust on the ground, just a whisper of steam on the crest of a dream while I walk in the dark. You're a memory now. Sheltered and safe, hidden and concealed. Your timid face never was revealed, shaded from the light, tepid and so slight. Shake off the dust, wipe away the years, scrape off the rust, nothing more appears. I've been through it all, still I can't recall. You're a memory now. You're all faded and brown.
In November, the government decided to make a second lockdown, and now I'm waiting. I'm waiting to become free again, to travel further and discover everyday new places and people. This year was just the beginning of my journey, and I don't know how it will continue. But I know one thing for sure: nothing will ever stop me.
Just a whisper of steam on the crest of a dream while I walk in the dark. Oh, you're a memory now. You're all faded and brown. You're just namelessly hung on the tip of my tongue in a silent remark. You're a memory now. You're just dust on the ground, just a whisper of steam on the crest of a dream while I walk in the dark. You're a memory now.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I don't know. See you next time. Bye.